I'm James Ogilvie. I'm one of the directors at Social Co. We originally started in the events industry where we had multiple nightclub events, and we realised that we needed to commercialise a product that we were doing for ourselves so other businesses could benefit from that. The business idea came about, it was a time when socials were changing and you could start to put money behind social posts and videos were coming on the platform, and realised that a couple of our friends and clients that we knew could benefit from our services that we were providing from ourselves. So it was a simple transition over to their pages. You know, my two other business partners working in bars. I was at university for a very short time period, and we decided that we wanted to have our own business, and we weren't sure quite what it looked like at that time, but it was we'd done the first night and it had gone really, really well, and we decided that we could take that full time, and that was a big leap for us all, but we've never looked back from there. We chose to back Rebel Business School because they believe in the same ethos as ourselves, where anybody can get into business, you know, no matter what your background, your demographic, and you know, you can make anything work as long as you've got the desire.